Let's implement the delete method, which is really simple. And then we can write test cases for delete and also for update. So let's come here. To delete, we just need to set the operation. So we can say this operation is equal to sef dml delete. So we want to run a delete operation. And then we can say return this. Okay, so return this. And then the other one is for update. So let's implement this. For update, we want the feeds. So if you're not sure what we're doing here, what you can really do is to go back to the query, see how many parameters each of them need. So for update, right here, we need a table, okay, which we're going to set before we basically run this method. We already have a method to set this, so it's not a problem. And then we need the feeds and the placeholder. So this is what we're interested in for update. For delete, we just need a table and the placeholders. And for the placeholder for delete case, we're going to do that using the where clause. So let's come back here. Say this feed should be equal to an empty array. And then we can set the operation. So we can say this operation, this should be an update operation. So we can say sef DML update. So we are performing an update operation, and then we want to loop through the data that was passed into the update method. So that's an array of data. We loop through data, and then we want to say column and the value. So the basic thing that we're doing here is that we're splitting column and value. And then we want to use that to prepare the feeds. So we can say this feeds. And then we can call sprintf here. And for sprintf, we can just pass it %s, %s, %s. Okay, so we want three things here. The column name, the operator, and the value. Okay, so that will basically be column. So this will be like username, for example, is equal to, so that will be the operator. Okay, so we're going to use that operator, sef operator 0, which will be equal to. So username equal to, and then we get the value, and then we need to put the value in kind of a quote. So we're going to just wrap this like this, value. And then that's all we need to do here. Just return this. All right, so we now need to test few other methods and make our test really nice. Okay, so this is what we're going to do next.